What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. I got a different little video for you. It's just kind of a PSA or whatever you guys want to call it. So you guys know I'm a huge Milwaukee fan. Have a lot of their stuff. But I was doing some weed whacking today, and I had an issue, and I've known about this, so I don't know if other people has as well. So I'm just waiting. Okay, so sometimes when you, I'll show you, to put the string in, it's got a small piece here, bear with me. Okay, so put the string in, this is like this, right? And you want to turn this so that you have a thing here that says load right there. And if you look in it, there will be a spot. If you look in the hole itself, when you turn it a certain distance, you'll see that you can see right through. Now, that is how you load the string. Now, that's pretty common. See, you guys can see the string coming through, right? And then, what I like to do, obviously you get longer string, but you even it out. And then I hold the head like this, and then I spin it like that. And that will actually feed it in, right? That's why you measure it equal on both sides when you stretch it through. But what I'm telling you is, if you find that this is hard to spin in, I got a fix for you. A lot of people may not know it. You probably do, but maybe you don't, right? So take your string out. So I just cleaned mine, but give me a second here. So see the bits of grass in there, right? So don't mind my garage. So right in there is where grass can build up. And typically what I do, I just take my knife and scrape it out, spin it, you get more grass, pull it out, and then when you put it back in, everything will go a lot smoother. And again, that's maybe a lot of you guys know. Okay, right there. See that bits of grass right there, right? Like, obviously that came out. I just cleaned this, so, and then I finished up my weed whacking. But a lot of people may not know that. So if you did know that, leave a comment down below. And if you didn't know that, also leave a comment, but tell me thank you. And the reason I'm saying it like that, is so that YouTube likes to see actual questions. A lot of people don't actually answer questions. Like, hey, ask me a question. A lot of people don't ask questions. But if you give an actual question you want answered, people tend to answer the questions more frequently. So, yeah, I guess that's it. I basically need a new piece because that's going to be too short. That's going to break soon. But I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy. Not doing drains today, but just doing some yard work. I got this mask off Amazon. Great mask. I was getting hit in the face a lot. I didn't like it. But who likes getting hit in the face? Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.